try some new concealers. So I went to the Do class. I picked the Too Faced Born This Way concealers. I picked 2 shades. This one is Chai. If I'm mispronouncing the name, I'll put it in the screen. And Chestnuts. These are the 2 shades that I picked up. I also picked up other couple of concealers. You guys know I love the NYX Can't Stop Would Stop concealers. I also picked 2 up. I love this concealer. And I also picked this Rimmel London from Kruidvat as well. I also really like it. This is more like just like a 1 shade lighter. It's more like a natural concealer when you want like a natural under eye. So I really love this one. So these are all new concealer I picked up. I just wanted to try something new, but today actually I want to try these Too Faced. I'm gonna do swatches for you guys, but I'm gonna use only one. I think I'm gonna use the Chestnut. I think that one is more on the warmer tone if I'm not mistaken. I've already applied my foundation, contour, it's just concealer, and then doing the rest of my face. So when you open, the container is quite huge. I really like it. I really love the packaging. I love the design. I love how like huge it is, a bit heavy. I really like it. So this is what it looks like, and this is Chestnut. Let me do swatch for you. This is like just the same shade, almost like just a shade lighter. This is Chestnut, and this is Chai. If I mispronounce this name, excuse me. And this is oh, I love like just a slight different. I really love the colors. Looks really nice. I love it. I'm gonna try Chestnut. Chestnut is what I'm going for. I'm gonna take my mirror. I'm just gonna apply this, just like a shade lighter than my skin tone. I'm gonna be more on the natural side. I don't like highlighting my forehead. If you have been following me for a very long time, I'm sure this is something. I also wanted to pick up their setting powder, but I'm like, you know what? I have the Huda Beauty setting powder and the NYX Can't Stop Will Stop setting powder, so I didn't feel like it was necessary for me to pick up extra powders, because I'm really trying to just use every single product that I have before going to buy a new product. So yeah, and I'm going to use this sponge. I'm gonna first start on my nose. Just gonna blend that. Oh, I love how smooth, like it blends so smoothly. And then I'm gonna leave my under eye for later. I'm gonna blend it a bit later. Blend everything. It's really natural. It's just like a shade lighter than my skin, and I really love that natural look when it comes to concealer underneath my eyes. Like my day-to-day makeup, I really love that natural makeup look. I'm just gonna drag it a bit down. It blends so flawless. I've seen a lot of great reviews on this concealer, but I've never really tried it. And now they sell it at Do class. The only thing is that they don't really sell like the darker shade. Like when it comes to foundation, I couldn't find any shade of mine there, because they don't really sell the darker shades on Do class in my city. Maybe in the bigger city they do, but like around where I live, they don't sell it. They only sell like a bit lighter shades. So the dark shade, they don't have it. But if you want, you can go to the big city, or you can buy online. But online is very tricky because you have to know your shade when buying online. That's the only thing about online shopping when it comes to foundation and concealer that I don't like, because you have to be very precise and know your shade before buying it. Because if you don't know your shade, then you buy something and then it comes and then it doesn't really fit, and you can't return it back because you already opened it. So now that everything blends really smoothly, I love how smooth It is like, I really love how smoothly everything just blend. It looks so natural. Everything blends so smoothly. I love it. So I'm just gonna leave this and I'm gonna go in with my blush. I love liquid blush. You guys know I never used to love blush, but since I picked up this e.l.f. cosmetic blush and is it Rimmel London or Maybelline blush, the first liquid blush I tried, since I picked those two up, your girl has been obsessed when it comes to liquid blushes. Now I love liquid blushes. Now I love it. Like, I just love how my skin looks. I just love how it looks on my skin. Like, I just love that pinkiness on my nose. I just feel like it's so cute. And now I'm just gonna blend this. I like to bring my blush a little bit like this on the highest part of my cheekbone, and then also I like to drag it a bit underneath my eyes because I love it like that. See how everything just looks so good? It looks so cute. I think I look so cute. I just love the blush like on my nose and on my cheek. I just feel like it looks so cute. Whenever I see someone doing makeup and then bringing the blush on the nose and then on the cheek like this, I always find it so cute. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I always find it to be so cute. Now I'm going in with my concealer, just the sponge. I don't add any product, just the ordinary sponge, just to like blend everything and give it like this really nice smooth transition. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty setting powder. I think this is in blonde. I really love this setting powder. It's really nice. I like to press it on the back of my hand, you see, just to get rid of any excess product, and then gently press it underneath my eyes. I'm gonna take my setting powder. If you know me, you know this setting powder, this Makeup Revolution setting powder matte base in I think it's P15 if I'm not mistaken. I love this setting powder. I'm just gonna use this to set my face. I bring a little bit of the foundation around my neck, so definitely we're going in with the setting powder. I'm gonna take whatever is on the brush to wipe off this excess powder on my face. I love this blush. It's so cute. I also love how flawless my under eye looks really nice. I love how flawless it looks. Looks really beautiful. It's time to contour powder. I'm gonna use my Morphe. This palette is so old, but I love it. I love it. I love the warmness that it brings to my face. You can see, like, I love how warm. Just take a little bit and then blend it into the hairline. I love that warmness that the powder just bring into my it's so beautiful. Take whatever is on the brush and let's bring it down to the jawline and snatch that jawline. Same powder that I use to set my face because I love that natural contour. I'm going to take that to contour my nose. Not that much, just a little bit, go a long way. Just use it to like bring it into the eyes. I'm filming with daylight, so the natural lighting might goes like shadows ups and down. It is what it is. And I'm going to take this sleek blush. I love this. I'm just gonna take my brush. I'm just gonna like mix all the shades like this, and then just, ooh, love it, love it. Oh, I love the color. It's so beautiful. Whenever I go in with blush like this, I just like to go in with a simple natural look, so at least on the eyes, so at least all the attention it's on the face. I just love it. So now that I've done with that, I'm going to set. I'm going to take my Shirley Tuber setting spray. I really love this one. This is a NYX lip liner I'm using. I really love this lip liner. It's something new that I also picked up. I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Love it. Now it's time to highlight. I'm going to take this Sleek highlighter. It's been a long time since I used this one, so love the shades. It's really, really beautiful. I'm gonna take this golden shade first, a little bit, and highlight the brow bone. This eyeshadow is, this highlighter is so pigment. When I said pigment, this is pigment. Little bit go a long way. I'm gonna take this like a pinkish shade here. I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Yes, I love that look. Now I'm going to take this gold. I'm gonna mix it with this pink. I'm gonna blend them together. Just like to bring it upwards. I'm gonna set my face once more again, and then I'm done. So guys, this is the finished result. I love how this concealer looks. It gave me this really natural finish look. I'm still filming with daylight, so this is natural lighting. I don't have lighting on. Let me show you guys. If I put I have this mini lights here, but let me just put it on for you guys so you guys can see. It's almost, I think the battery is even dead. Okay, you guys can see this is what when I use lighting, but I think it's much more better you guys to see the natural product itself without any lighting. This is natural daylight. I love how the makeup turned out. It's really, really nice. I love it. I can't wait to try the other one. Actually, I love this concealer. I wish that they have the foundation in the Douglas so that I can pick it up, but maybe if I have time, I will visit the bigger cities and I can try it on and see which one matches me to find my perfect shade, because buying it online, it could be scary. Yeah, I really love the concealer. Actually, I do. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. If you guys have tried this product, let me know. I believe everyone have tried it because it's such a popular brand and the concealers are so nice. It's really, really nice. This is the finished result. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.